engine runs. It just purrs. But it sure doesn't sound like yours. Oh, always wanted a piece of tail. Always dreamed what it'd be like. Tim's still dreaming about having a piece of tail too. Poor Tim.
Put that tank plug out. Put the tank plug out. That one's kind of hard.
Tim, listen how that thing purrs. Sure doesn't sound like yours.
Change that battery up there. It's like your tank plug. Everything else will put back in the tank. Other than you reach it up, you never got a chance to try it. After you gotta reach it up, that's what I want to do. Get up there. That's like getting items better the other day.
Hey Doug, your engine runs so good compared to somebody else's. Whose is that?
Whose is that?
Yeah.
What want to say?
If it runs fine, you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah. Ain't too worried about it.
Listen to that engine run, Tim. Doug might even have a crash today just for Tim.
I'm not sure I can get it up there, actually.
There he goes. Smells like one too. Boy, that engine's running so good compared to Tim's. Poor Tim and his engines. I think he needs a new mechanic. Listen to how good that thing runs.
It takes a critical ear to tune them.
Oh, that's the problem. He can't hear.
Yeah, it takes a critical ear to
Yeah.
tune those engines. And
Poor Tim and not being able to hear it.
Yeah, he probably can't hear it, and he probably can't even see it.
Oh, that could be. That'd make it really hard to work on then, wouldn't it?
It would be hard to see, especially if you're trying to take it apart and put it back together. You know, I mean, if you can't see it, you're in trouble. I mean, Ray Charles could have done that good.
Maybe he should call Ray and see if he'd help him work on it.
I'm flying. Who's got the airplane way up there? Is that Rick?
But yet you're flying so good today because of why?
Because Tim's not here.
Yeah, he's not here bothering you, is he? That's going to be the best one.
Give us all the trouble before that. On the throttle? Haven't heard it burp yet.
I know when Tim flew his, it gave him problems all the time.
I didn't see it fly.
Oh, you didn't? You wasn't here? No, it never did fly, did it? That's the problem. Yeah, you're right.
It did give him trouble, too.
Yeah, give him a lot of trouble. It's because he didn't have Ray Charles helping him.
Well, yeah. Mr. Clean could have cleaned that carburetor.
Yeah.
Of course, he looks like Mr. Clean does somewhat, don't he?
Yeah, he does.
I never thought about
Well,
that.
Mr. Clean's a lot taller, though.
And he's a better looking guy.
Yeah, you're right.
True.
Tim's kind of short, fat, and bald.
Yeah. All the above.
Yeah.
Starting to feel sorry.
You're who you feeling sorry for?
I didn't say that. I'm sorry. I didn't say that.
Okay.
That slipped. That's right. Larry, I think you got it, buddy. It didn't never flew that good before.
Is that you?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just
Playing?
playing now. I'm stupid enough to start playing.
You know, you do have to plan your landing since Tim's not here. He won't be here to go out in the woods and climb the trees to get it for you.
I don't have a monkey here to climb
Yeah.
the tree, do I?
Nope.
I did bring a ladder.
Did you?
We don't have a monkey, but
Is it a monkey ladder?
could be.
That wasn't me.
Are we on the same glow plug and all that stuff?
Yep.
Everything's the same.
Yep.
Okay.
The glow driver's unhooked too.
Yep.
Even with the glow driver off, it's sure running better than Tim's plane did. Maybe Tim needs a glow driver on his. Besides the mechanic. He needs Ray Charles to come help him.
I think Tim needs to run a lot of fuel for it. What he needs.
Well, that's cool on engine.
Yeah, it does.
It definitely wasn't a still.
No, it wasn't. Boy, if Tim can get him a steel engine,
Yeah.
have a mechanic down there at work to put it on for him.
When he got it out of the truck, it was a steel.
Oh,
It was real steel.
Did he get it out of the wrong truck?
He got it was a steel engine then. He probably tried to crank it up.
Steel as in quiet, you mean?
It's still STILL.
Yeah. It's just a tad below halfway.
But it's definitely not proportional to the stick, you know, from a standpoint of movement, you know.
No, I know it's not.
But that you could actually change that on the stick if you want to.
Yeah, I mean, you can get it so it's
You can make your percentages different.
yep.